All right, man, what's going on, man? It is your boy, Kimber, the realtor, and we are going to a open house, man. Now, this open house, I will say I'm here to get footage, video content. This is another way if you are starting off as a new agent, man, how you can, get potential leads. You want as much video content, as much, photos, videos as possible. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm also here to help out as well. So join me on this journey. Make sure you guys subscribe, man. That needs to be the first thing you do when you walk in, man. Make sure you subscribe, all that good stuff, man. And yeah, let's go. Yo, what's going on, man? It's Kimber the realtor. Now, we are inside of an open house. I want to show you guys how to get set up before people start coming in. So first and foremost, man, make sure you have that JB5. The JB5 is for you playing music in the background. You want to have something playing so it's not quiet. It may be you there for a little bit, People may show up, people may not show up, so you need that music to keep you entertained. They tell you play jazz. I try to switch it up. I play modern music. As long as there's no cursing or anything like that, man, you should be pretty good. But you want to have that. Next on the list, we have the buyer's packet. Make sure you have the buyer's packet. This is something that buyers can use, they can look at, they can walk through, see how the process is done, because a lot of people don't know the process of buying a house. They just go house hunting, but they need to know the steps, right? So make sure you do that. Next on the list, make sure you have your contracts, man. Whoever you have your brokerage with, make sure you print out a copy of buyer agency agreements or exclusive buyer brokerage agreements. Make sure you have that on hand, man. That way, so if you do have a potential client, you can go ahead and seal the deal, upload those documents. Not saying seal the deal, but you have someone that's on contract that you're working with. So make sure you have that. Next on the list, man, I would suggest you get this is my own, I wouldn't say binder, but I made this. So should explain to potential clients or customers customers. This should explain to customers why they should choose you as an agent. So in there, I just pretty much just specify why I would be a good agent, what I would do, steps to getting started, how I can guide you along the way, past services that I've done for other clients. Man, you want to make sure you have like a portfolio. I'm sorry, my words are stumbling, man. Y'all got me nervous. So you want to make sure you have a portfolio so your customers or potential clients can know what you're capable of. A lot of these people that are looking for houses, man, they don't really want anyone inexperienced. So you have to kind of play that role. And then, if you have your mentor, y'all can just walk that through along the way. But those are just a few things and when I'm getting started. And what you also want to have is a sign-in sheet. Hold on. I know y'all looking at my neck piece right now. This is something light on the open house. But you want a sign-in sheet, man. So I created this sign-in sheet on my own. So you want to make sure you have that. Yo, what's going on, man? So somebody was actually coming in while I was recording, so I had to stop, man. But y'all get the gist of it. That's what you need to start an open house or set up. That's the setup, At least about, I want to say 5-6 people already came in, so that's pretty good. I had the music playing in the background. I got the whole setup. The more information, the better, man. You can never have too much information because you never know. Hold on one second. And the music started playing like that. So the more, the better, man, because you never know what they're going to ask you. They may ask you, is there an easement on this home, or is there any restrictions? You want to know as much information as possible. So with me, when I do an open house, I try to do as much research as possible. Therefore, if I don't know, you can always reach out to someone that may know information. You know what I mean? You always come to those spots and write it down. Like with me, if someone asks me a question, I write it down, I look into it. Okay, I know what that means next time. So if somebody come and ask me this, then I don't know what to say. But you want to know as much information as possible because they're going to lay it on you. Hey, when was this last renovated? you know, how new is this floor, restrictions. You're gonna get everything, so you need to be prepared. I want to get a better life. You need to be prepared. The better prepared, the better you are as an agent, a realtor, man. Make sure you're professional. This is something light for me. I just, you know, it's raining outside, so I decided to put on something light. But make sure you dress how you want to be addressed, man. That's my thing. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. I'm going to show you the tour of the house so you get to see it in real time with your boy. So yeah, Kim the Realtor, make sure you do that.